Alright, in this first video I'm going to show you the extreme basics of Google Drive, how to log in on the web browser, and how to install Google Drive on your desktop. Um, and I'm going to be using the Google Chrome browser. I think it's a much better browser than Internet Explorer. If you do choose to use Internet Explorer, you do need to be sure that it's the up-to-date version. Mine actually was not. I had to update my Internet Explorer a few minutes ago. It should look like this. This should be what the user interface looks like. If it looks different, then you have an old version of Internet Explorer, and you'll need to update it before you can use all of Google Drive's features. So that said, we're going to log in first, and my little daughter is behind me playing, so if you hear a bunch of noise and racket, that's what that is. I am already logged in. I'm going to actually sign out real quick so I can sign back in. Okay. This is what google.com should look like when you first open your browser or go to google.com. Click the red sign in button, and you will type in the email that Kathy gave us. It's your normal username, hcsstudents.net, and the default password was welcome1 with a capital W and an exclamation point at the end. If that is still your password, type that in, hit enter. And if you have not changed your password yet, I think you would be looking at a password change screen right now. If you are looking at this screen and you want to change your password, then what you'll do is you will go up to your email address up here, the username at hcsstudents.net, click on that, and then click on account right here. Not add account, that's something different, but account. And when you click account, this is where you can change all of your settings for your Google account. And we want to change the password, which is a security feature. So I'll click on security. And then right here you have the option to change your password. So if you need to change your password, that's how you'll do it. You'll go account, security, change password. All right, let's talk about Drive for just a second. Up here at the top you will see your Google features. You have mail. Now your mail is going to be extremely basic because you probably haven't used this email. You just have a few emails from the Gmail team. But I want to look at Google Drive. So let's click on Drive at the top. If you are brand new to Google Drive and this kind of scares you, yours is probably empty. I've already added a few videos or a few folders, and Kathy has shared one with the faculty that I have put into my Google Drive, and I'll talk about sharing in a different video. But what I want to do right now is make sure that we all have Google Drive downloaded on our computers, and we'll talk about how to add files in a different video. So click Download Google Drive for PC, and depending on the web browser, it's going to look a little bit different. Google Chrome sends downloads to the bottom toolbar, so once it's downloaded, I'll click on that and click Run and Accept or whatever else it asks you to do. And this shouldn't take but a minute. See, it's installing Google Drive. And let's see, I'll pause the recording for just a minute while it's installing. Alright, that was about a half-second pause. It says, once it's installed, it says, thanks for installing Google Drive. Click on Close, and in a second it pops up this welcome screen. Isn't that nice of Google? Click on the Sign In Now, and my email is already in. Not sure why. I thought I was going to have to type it in. But put your email address and your password for your hcsstudents.net account and click Sign In. And once you click Sign In, it says Welcome to Google Drive, and you have the option to send crash reports and usage statistics to Google. That is not going to affect Google Drive at all. It's just, do you want Google to know if Google Drive messes up, how it messed up? I choose to leave that unchecked. You can check it if you want. So I'll click Next. And now it gives you the option to sync your files. And what that means is if you have any files that are in your Google Drive, which I do, I have a few, I would like those to be on my computer as well. So I'm going to choose Start Sync, and hopefully this will work. And when I hit Start Sync, it gives me the option to, or it doesn't give me the option, it automatically puts Google Drive documents on the Google Drive on my computer. And the nice thing about having Google Drive on your computer, and notice I have this little pop-up that says you're all set, just drag files onto your Google Drive folder. I'll show you how to do that in a second. I'm going to close that. Now I can view my Google Drive on my normal Explorer options on the computer. So I don't have to actually get on the internet to view my Google Drive folders. So there is how you install Google Drive. I'm going to close that window. So you can access Google Drive either on your web browser or you can access it on your computer. When you did install Google Drive, you may have noticed that at the very bottom you have a little triangular looking icon. It's still syncing some stuff. But that is your Google Drive icon, and if you want to access Google Drive, you could simply click on that and choose Open Google Drive Folder, or you could visit Google Drive on the web. It gives you both options. So if I choose Open Google Drive Folder and click on that, it will jump straight to that Google Drive folder that popped up just a minute ago. So there are the very basics of Google Drive and how to get started, how to change your password, and how to install it on your computer. If you have questions, you can shoot me an email, pcarboni@hoover.stuff. And that's good enough for this one.